if you're in affiliate marketing, network marketing, or digital marketing, or you just want to escape your 9 to 5, you want to stay to the end of this video. So you see how I search for the high ticket lifestyle review? This is the name of my article on my blog and my YouTube video. Now watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 first page assets, okay? And I'll show you more on YouTube and if you just stay with me to the end. This is the video you want, and I'm going to show you why right now, okay? Brand new 100% commission system. Questions, high ticket lights hotline 1-800-771-0769. So you can call this number and ask questions, right? You listen to a recorded 3-minute message, and then they call you, the owner calls you back, right? Can I show you how to start making $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 using this one simple page? Discover the fastest and easiest way to make life-changing money without having to sell. And all you gotta do is click this button to go to the next page, right? But what's the basis behind this? Why is the training so elite? To show you like how am I getting how you could turn one high ticket commission into money to buy traffic over and over again and make, what the heck, more and more money. Sorry, something just happened, so I thought something. Anyways, moving on. You could take that money with the training and buy to put in Coinbase and buy Bitcoin over and over again and trade it, okay, and grow your Bitcoin, okay, which grow obviously every November around Thanksgiving. Every year it's worth more and more money. Not just, you know, but that's traditionally when it booms, like every year. And we will teach you this, some of the amazing training we have in the high ticket lifestyle, okay? And if you go to the $5,000 level, you actually get the bonus. You get copy paste trades almost daily, okay? Multiple trades, okay? So this is the high ticket lifestyle bonuses and 5 hidden profit steps. Are you ready? Let's go. This is the one video you want to be watching, okay? If you want to learn how to make $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000 100% commissions or more, okay? How more? Yeah, I said more. So stay to the end of this video, okay? Now, what am I doing right here? It's blogging, okay? Blogging is a really slept-on method to make it quality traffic, okay? The best traffic. And the way I'm doing it is I'm recording the videos of me actually the blogs I write. Because why would I do that? Because in 2026 and beyond, search engines and AI are smart. They're not only reading what you type and what you post online, they're actually listening to what you say as well. So do something one time and get multiple benefit from it. Okay, that's more and more and more high quality traffic, okay? Most people online are quietly bleeding to death. They spend 10 hours a day creating content on rented social media lands like Facebook, like Instagram. They hustle, they grind, and they beg for pennies, all to chase a $20 or $50 low-ticket affiliate commission. This isn't a sustainable business layout. If your cost to acquire customers is higher than your payout, you lose. Not a mind-blowing concept. You cannot close a lifestyle deficit with breadcrumbs. To build a true sovereignty, you need immediate cash velocity to back your plays. You need multi-$1,000 strikes hitting your processor instantly. That's exactly how the high-ticket lifestyle engine functions. It's a direct payment, 100% commission framework. Every single transaction fires straight to your own payment processor, okay? Whether it's Stripe, Cash App, Bitcoin, the money is yours. You pay one-time admin fee when you buy your product inventory tier. The admin fee recently went down by amazing, right? So if it's even easier to make the money with this system, okay? Because the owner dropped the prices down $200 per level. That one-time fee funds a centralized professional sales force. Corporate experts handle the phone calls and close a massive deal for you. Your only job is to drive high intent traffic on own terrain. But if you want to maximize your extraction, you have to know the rules. You have to understand the inventory gaps and the hidden profit steps. High-ticket lifestyle bonuses, the hidden low-ticket affiliate trap. The modern digital landscape has sold a massive lie to the average worker. They tell you to build a massive social media following on rented ground. They promise that if you just post enough videos, the pennies will add up. But what if they hide is the crushing math of the low-ticket cash deficit? When you only earn $20 sale, you need hundreds of buyers monthly just to survive. You're trapped on a content treadmill, constantly stressing over algorithm changes. This low commission model creates creators stuck in a perpetual survival state. You cannot plan a legacy or fund traffic engines when you're fighting for grocery money. High-ticket positioning is the only real shield against this systematic digital exhaustion. It replaces the endless chase for volume with high-velocity cash injections. High-ticket lifestyle bonuses, why high-ticket is surging right now. The traditional internet marketing models are actively fragmenting under the weight of inflation. Ad costs are skyrocketing while the consumer attention span has dropped to an all-time low. Trying to scale business on low-ticket widgets right now is mathematical suicide. High-ticket ecosystems are surging because serious buyers want comprehensive all-in solutions. They're looking for direct paths to leverage infrastructure and real human closing support. Position yourself at the top right now, capitalize on this massive shift in purchasing behavior. The timing matters because entering the market late means fighting for remaining scraps. Now, high-ticket lifestyle bonuses system core structure overview. Before looking at the individual cash accelerators, you must understand the top-down framework. The bonuses inside the platform are not random add-ons or fluff training modules. They're structural leverage points designed to maximize your return on traffic investment. I want to actually show you what they're talking about right here. Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, this timer right here, okay, you will be rewarded with the next level qualification. 100% free action taker bonus. 48 hours, look, right here. Join the 500 level, get no upgrade. Join the 1500 level, get qualified at the 3500 level. That is the sweet spot because at the $1,500 level, you can get bronze, silver, and the commission bump to the $3,500 level. That means if somebody joins you at $3,500 and you only paid $1,500, you get all of it, 100% of a level. Most times you pass up that. If you're not qualified, you don't get any money. Here you get $3,500. That's 233% ROI. You paid $1,500 plus the admin fee and got $3,500. Imagine that. And you could also get other people, right? Join at the $3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. Okay, join at the $5,000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus. And what is that? $100,000 diamond level bonus, the Bitcoin Boss Roundtable. Get access to Justin Temple's personal day trading chat and daily market analysis, plus copy trades right when Justin makes market moves. Okay, what is a high-ticket lifestyle? High-ticket lifestyle is the first program to deliver quality products for home business affiliates and powerful commissions that you can feel great about. Okay, that is the main bonus, and that is amazing. Those are life-changing bonuses. Okay. It has, more importantly, it has life-changing training, okay? Where you can take one of these commissions and make money for a lifetime. And buy traffic and make more and more money, potentially. Again, I'm not promising you anything, okay? Your money depends on your commitment, your action-taking, daily steps. Are you going to follow the training? Are you going to stay consistent with it? Etc., etc., okay? Or are you going to fall for the next shiny object, okay? The system works, but are you going to work it? Another bonus, okay, is 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. We make it easy for you. Questions, call 1-800-771-0769. This is part of what you do when you pay the admin fee, okay? They have where you can call a number, this number right here, listen to a 3-minute message, and the owner will call you back and make sales for you on your behalf, okay? Call this number, and they're going to ask you who you referred by. You're going to tell them John Solly or JJ Solly, and then they're going to answer any questions you have. And guess what? They're going to answer your people's questions too if you join with me. And then you can make $500, $1,500, $3,500, even $5,000, depending on your level. And if you take action, you're an action taker though, right? You're going to get that $1,500 and make $3,500. Or you're going to get that $3,500 gold level and get that 48-hour commission bump to $5,000 diamond level, right? And get the commission bump because you're an action taker, right? Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over again. Never pick up the phone. Our goal of the high ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? Okay? And I promise you YouTube results too, right? So I'm going to do that right now. As you can see, I'm in incognito mode. Same, I'm going to do this live so you don't see this faked. There's my whole series, right? Number 1, okay? Then I have this video right here. Obviously, it's different than this video, okay? And there's another one, okay? So, first page results on Google and YouTube, and you could do this for multiple levels. This is proof that the training I get, okay, is amazing and life-changing, okay? Now imagine that same training teaching you how to trade Bitcoin, okay, and other coins, right? High ticket lifestyle bonuses. Let me see if I did this right. High ticket lifestyle bonuses. Who this is for? This high ticket lifestyle velocity system is built specifically for the exhausted content creator. It's for a person who understands that building on rented land is a trap. Rented land. If you're tired of waiting for tiny monthly commissions that never seem to add up, this is your exit. If you're tired of waiting for tiny monthly commissions, it's for action takers who want to leverage a professional sales force to do the heavy lifting. You drive the traffic to your own blog and email list, and the system handles the closing. This is for anyone ready to drop the amateur mindset and step up as a sovereign architect. High ticket lifestyle bonuses, the buyer identity transformation. Stepping into this framework requires a complete rewiring of how you perceive your value. Amateurs view themselves as internet salespeople begging for commissions from strangers. Sovereign architects view themselves as media owners deploying automated infrastructure. This identity shift alters how you write content, build lists, and view your digital estate. You stop worrying about likes or shares because your attention moves to asset equity. When your self-perception changes, you naturally attract high-quality buyers into your funnels. The high-ticket lifestyle bonuses overflow math explained. Most affiliate systems steal your entire commission check if you aren't fully qualified. The high-ticket lifestyle doesn't rob you. It pays you exactly to your level of positioning. If you're positioned at the bronze level, $500, that is your absolute earning cap. When a massive $5,000 whale lands in your funnel, you still pocket for your $500. The remaining $4,500 overall value is what leaks upward out of your business. It leapfrogs completely over your head and hits your qualified sponsor. You're never completely cut out, but you're capped by your own positioning decisions. To stop donating cash to your mentor, you have to look at the advanced bonuses. Again, join the 500 level, you get no upgrade. Join at the $1,500 level in the first 48 hours, okay, it's still going down, you get qualified at the $3,500 level. Join the $3,500 level, you get qualified at the $5,000 level. Join the $5,000 level, get epic $100,000 bonus. And again, the diamond level bonus, the Bitcoin Bass Roundtable. Get access to Justin Table's personal day trading chat, daily market analysis, and copy-paste trades right when Justin makes market moves. Amazing, life-changing, $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 commissions. Okay, this is part 1 of probably 2 or 3, okay? This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your Friendly neighborhood Solid Man. Don't delay. Get with Jay today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.